Welcome to LearnWire. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible, but I wanted to tell you about what I think is the best software deal on AppSumo for Black Friday. Now, I actually didn't see when wave.video was on AppSumo, so there could be some of you out there that actually got lucky and purchased wave.video from AppSumo and got a lifetime deal when they launched on AppSumo. But since then, this software has blown up, and it is one of the biggest online cloud-based video creation softwares out there. There are other ones as well, but this one is definitely a top 5. I've seen most of them, and there are a lot of them that are really, really good. Wave, I would say, is a top 5 video editor for just the complexities and versatility of what you're able to do with editing a video that you already made, or creating videos from scratch is where it really shines, and then also all the templates that it has. But so I'm super surprised and impressed that they already have a huge customer base, right? A very profitable video creation software. But they, what ends up happening is AppSumo goes out with their strongest partners throughout the year or years and goes and asks, hey, do you guys want to do a launch with us and offer a really, really killer deal for new customers? And so Wave Video agreed. And there's going to be a lot of, if we go to browse on AppSumo, there's going to be a ton of offers on here. You can look through so many different awesome softwares that you could pick up. But the one that I'm really, really impressed with and that I'm recommending right now is this one, Wave Video. So we're going to just scroll through here. You can look at, you can watch the video and stuff too. Click the link, the first link below, to go pick this up, or even just go check it out if you want to check out the sales page on AppSumo. Now, they are running a Black Friday deal. And what you can get with this Wave software is you get lifetime access. Usually big softwares that launched and they have monthly subscriptions, they don't go back to lifetime ever. It's always going to be like an annual at best, right? You'll be able to pay a really good price for an annual membership. They are offering a lifetime access right now to this software, which is super crazy. I am surprised, which you really want to get in on this. I'm going to show you, because I'm going to show you inside the software in a minute. Now, you can get in here, and they're not just including Wave. So this is just one of the best deals I've seen before. So you're going to get wave.video creator plan, and that's enough. That's amazing, right? But they also are throwing in Animatron Studio Pro plan, which I don't have access to Animatron. I can sign up and show you that. That would be for another video. But basically, you can create whiteboard animated videos or explainer 2D animated videos, 3D animated videos, all those kind of things. It's like VidTune and all kinds of other softwares, Animatron, and you can go out there and create all kinds of cartoonish explainer illustration type videos. So you're getting a whole package. All the different video types that you would want to create are inside this package, and it's for $59. It is insane. 136 reviews, 5 tacos. All right, so let's jump in real quick. I wanted to show you, if you don't pick up this Black Friday deal, you're still getting 40% off of monthly membership or annual plans, which is cool. There is a free version. You can click the second link below. Click the second link below if you want to get just a monthly or you want to try it out. But their pricing is $39 a month for the creator and $79 for business. So just think about it. You're almost paying for the smallest paid plan. You're almost paying that by just picking up the $59 lifetime plan. So this Black Friday deal is just a killer deal, in my opinion. I also wanted to go over what, and here's Animatron too. So don't forget, you're also getting access, unlimited lifetime access to Animatron, right? And so they start at $15 a month. $15 a month is going to be included in that first plan. So you're looking at a good $50 to $60, about $55 per month you're going to be paying monthly for both these softwares. Or you can go and click the first link below and just get it for $59 one time and be done with it. It's a really, really good investment into your online business if you pick up the lifetime deal right now. Now, just wanted to go over some of the rules for the Black Friday deal. I'm going to zoom in real quick. So the Black Friday deal is actually running from a couple days ago on AppSumo. So November 21st through noon on November 30th, right? So November 30th is going to be, so it's running for like one more week. So about 7.5 days you guys have. All right. So that is how long this deal is going on. And then there is a last call and exclusive plus briefcase members for AppSumo, right? If you pay that premium membership, annual membership, I think it's $100 for the year, but you get 10% discount on everything, and you get other perks as well. And you also get free access to some of their software. Well, you will get a last call that actually extends 3 more days right here, December 3rd. So that's really cool. Now, special Black Friday deals. Yes, you get to unlock 10% off. So by clicking below, you're getting an additional 10% off on $150 eligible deals. So this one is eligible. So what that means is if you stack up, so at $59, right, you find a couple more. So 59 times 2. So you wouldn't quite be there, but 59 times 3, you would be there. And then you're going to get 10% off of that, right? But then not only that, you have to have $150 in your cart. It's a cart-based deal. So once you have $150 in your cart during this Black Friday launch on eligible deals, it'll tell you in the cart. You get 10% off, but then if you are an exclusive member, you also get an additional 10% off. You still get your exclusive premium member discount. So you would get 20% off of that, right? So what is that? You're going to, let's just say you're at $150. And you're going to take $20 off. So you're going to get $30 off that. So for $120, you're going to get lifetime deals to 2 or 3 softwares. Just a rough estimate right there. So getting a pretty good deal there. And this is software. This is, and with wave.video, and there's some other stuff too. We don't really need to go through any of that, but this is software that has already been around and stood the test of time and is one of the best online. So this one right here is not a startup. So right here, we're usually dealing with startups throughout the year on AppSumo that are also working on getting additional funding. And they're just giving you, they're not making any money really off of these AppSumo deals because they're still launching their software, still making a lot of edits and improvements to the software, and they need a lot of beta testing. And that's partly why people like to launch on AppSumo. It's a great win-win for both companies. Now, with wave.video, they already have an outstanding software. So you're getting an amazing software, right? That's ready to go. So we're going to go and take a look at that real quick. All right. So I'm in here in one of my favorite article creation tools. It's an AI writer, and it creates unique, 100% readable content as if a freelancer wrote it. And I'm in ArticleForge. The third link below will be in access to this. You can get a free trial to it as well. I typed in how to stay motivated to exercise. It went out and wrote an article for me. I'm going to go ahead and click the result here, and we have an article. All right, so we have this, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to bring it over here, but then I'm also going to put over here the title, how to stay Okay, so we have our little article. We're going to go over to Wave where I'm already logged in. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm actually going to go out and record my own voiceover, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to go to create video and just hover over. If you already have your post on a website, you could actually use other people's websites too if you wanted to, or you could use your own, which works even best for branding and that stuff. If you click on blog post to video, it's actually just, you're going to paste the link to the website. And then it's going to, you can actually cut it down and make it a smaller video, or you can do the whole thing. And it's going to go out there and get the text from the site and everything. So, which is really cool. And there's other ways as well. You can start from a template. You can start from stock videos or blank video, or you can even upload your own video and use this as a full-blown video editor. In this case, text to video is a really good way to go. I'm going to go and get that article real quick. So we have the title here. I'm going to put the title in right there, and then I'm going to get the rest of this right here, and I'm just going to paste that. Now, Once you have all this in here, you can reduce my text with AI, or you can just leave it the way it is. But once we push the next button, it's going to go out there, and you can click on square, vertical, story, Facebook cover, or horizontal. We're going to keep that. And I'm going to go and just click one and then push create video. Now it's going to go out. We'll be right back, and it's going to create the video for us real quick. Okay, so we have the title page right here, but what ends up happening is one thing you want to do in here is you want to split this text up. See how all this text happened like this and it's bunched up like that? Well, there's a way to fix that. I'm going to go through real quick. I'm just going to go to my videos, and this one that we just created, I'm actually going to delete. And what you want to do is go to create video text right there, put that in right there. And then once you're on this page, you actually want to break this up. So I just do a double return everywhere that I want a new page, a new slide, right? So I'm going to go through here. It doesn't take too long, and you're just going to go through like so, and just like that. And if you want to use premium assets, then you would click that button. But I just want to use the free. They have millions of them. We're going to go back to the same template, push create. A lot is going on in the background. It's actually going out there using artificial intelligence to find stock videos and stock images to bring into our videos. It's creating a video automatically for us, which is really, really cool, really, really smart. And here you go. Now you have different slides. Every time I click on one of these, look, a new slide with different text is coming in, which is really, really cool. So what we're going to do is now we can go through, and if we want to go down here, you can see there's a button right here that actually has to where you can add a voiceover. Now you can bring in your own voiceover, and that's what I was going to do, but actually you don't have to do that. You can actually record right into the software. So if you hire someone on Fiverr or something like that, or you have your own voiceover that you record in a different software, you can upload it here, and then you can match it to the slides pretty easily. Recording your voice, you can do that right inside the software, which is neat as well. Or you can use auto text to speech, which is cool as well. So we're going to go with record your voice. Many people find it difficult to exercise. There are many ways to remain motivated and have fun during workouts. Okay, so we have that first one there. I'm going to go to the second one, and all you do is once you click on the next slide, you can do the record button, record your voice. For example, you can reward yourself by setting aside money to purchase a special treat after you complete your workout. Many people find it difficult to exercise. There are many ways to remain motivated and have fun during workouts. So we push stop there and then add voice. Okay, so you have to push the add voice button. Click the button right there, and then it's going to add that voice, hopefully to just that slide. And then we'll go and test it. So you can also use the text to speech. So VoiceOver, you can click that, and you actually can, upload the text here, and it'll create a audio file that is already has a voiceover for you. So you can use that. You can also remember to upload your own or record your voice. I would go with uploading your own audio, like record it in a different software and then just upload the entire thing. The audio quality will probably be better that way, and then you can go ahead and just match it to the slides. So another thing you can do is when you're through here and you click on any of these and you want to change out one of these, you would just push the replace button. You can go to the stock library, and you can find, there's all kinds of different search filters over here, and you can just find something. And once you click on something and you like it, you can just push replace. And it's going to go out there, and it's just going to easily replace the image. So it's very nice, clean user interface. There, when you're on the video editor, there's only a few things you can do, which I really like. It's not too complex, so it overcomplicates things. And then you would just go up to publish video, and you can publish the video, white labeling, GIF. Remember, you're also getting video hosting, where you can actually, if you get the second plan, you will actually get rich snippets with your video landing page. You can change the video player colors and do all kinds of customizations. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but it's super cool. And then also we can come through here and just look at all the different types of niches and industries you can get into with all the different templates. There's YouTube video, Facebook video, stories video, technology, education, real estate, marketing, foods and restaurant, video ad templates. They even have quotes if you want to create a quote video. Like right over here, they have holiday videos themed. So every time you click on one of those, there's going to be all these different templates for social media and for just anywhere you want to do a quote video. We can go and check that out real quick. And here we go. It's going to launch the player real quick. And right here, it already has something for us. You can push play. So you could go up and change the text if you wanted to. Okay, you can change the text. You can come in here. You can also replace this with something else. We'll go to the stock library and we'll just type in sports and fitness. You can even just go through here. We're on free. And there we go. Just click on that one and push replace. And then now you have an entire different video, right? And you could move this where you want to, kind of like that. So just like that. And then also you could change the music by just pushing the replace button and inspiring right here and just click it. I don't know what this one sounds like, but it's uploading a new song for us. And then you can just come over here and trim the audio as well by just coming over here, pushing the trim and then going right here and pushing the trash. And now you have your new audio. We'll come back over here, take a look at our new video. So brand new video, pretty cool stuff. Takes you just seconds to create a new video, and you don't have to put a voiceover on that one if you don't want to. So all in all, really, really awesome piece of software. You're getting, remember, you're getting the bundle. You're getting 3 things in one. You're getting the wave.video editor. You're getting wave.video hosting and animatron studio, which I didn't even get to show you in this video. There's only 7 days on this deal. Go get it. I'm very impressed and surprised that this company came back to offer a really awesome deal. I've looked at all the softwares, and if you have a Black Friday sticker right here, then that means that the deal, you are getting the extra 10% off. But this is by far the best deal out of all the softwares right now. So go and click that first link. Go pick this up, and I'll see you in the next video.